Hi, today I'm going to read you a story about rabbits and raindrops. The story has a lot of pretty pictures in it. Rabbits and raindrops. Do you think rabbits like rain? They probably do. Let's see. Mother rabbit sits by her nest under a hedge at the edge of the green lawn. Look at all the bunny rabbits and the butterflies. Her 5 babies are ready to climb out of the nest for the very first time. Oh, there they are. Are they cute? Mother rabbit hops out into the bright sunlight, into the green grass. There she goes. There's her babies right behind her. One after another, the 5 baby rabbits hop out onto the lawn. Ooh, there's a lizard right there. See the lizard? They nibble clover blossoms and leaves. They meet grasshoppers, spiders, and bees. There's a spider, bee, grasshopper. All of a sudden, the sky turns dark, and big, heavy raindrops begin to fall. Plop, 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 plop. A rabbit's fur is not waterproof. Baby rabbits can become soaked and catch a cold. So Mother Rabbit hurries her babies back under the hedge. Hurry, hurry. Oh, look at their little tails. From their dry shelter, 5 baby rabbits watch the rain pouring down. So I bet you they want to go back outside and play. A butterfly flutters in under the hedge and rests on a dry leaf. Soon others come inside out of the rain. Well, there's a butterfly and I forget what kind of bird that is, and a grasshopper and a little mouse, a little field mouse. I don't think I see anything else. Out in the shower, honeybees buzz by, bzzz, flying between raindrops to stay dry. Suddenly the shower ends, and the last few raindrops splatter down. Oh, there's a turtle. All together, the rabbits hop out onto the lawn. So there's the butterfly and the cricket. To taste the wet grass and play rabbit tag in the sun. Oh, how fun. See it? There's a nice pretty rainbow. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story. Well, that's what I always like that one. Okay. Have a good day. Bye.